What would you do if all of your files disappeared right now? Your projects, your samples, your finished tracks, gone. Think it won't happen to you? Yeah, that's what I thought too. Until it did. In 2018, I woke up one morning, turned on my computer, and my hard drive was dead. Just like that. No warning, no weird noises, nothing. Years of work, projects, samples, presets, finished tracks, all inaccessible. And I'm not alone. Back in 2011, Skrillex had 2 laptops and 2 hard drives stolen from his hotel room in Milan. An entire album's worth of new material, gone. He literally had to start from scratch and remake everything. Here's the thing. We all think it won't happen to us. It's like getting struck by lightning, right? Rare, unlikely, happens to other people. But hard drives fail, laptops get stolen, accidents happen. When my drive died, I felt like the world had ended. Everything I'd worked so hard for, every late night session, every breakthrough moment, trapped in a dead piece of metal. And the worst part? I knew it was my fault. I had no backup. But luckily, I found a data recovery specialist who managed to save 95% of my files. Cost me $400 and 2 weeks of anxiety waiting to see what could be recovered. But imagine if I hadn't been lucky. Imagine if it was all gone forever. Hard drives don't last forever. They're mechanical devices with moving parts, and like any machine, they wear out. Mine gave out after years of use. Simple degradation over time. No drama, no warning signs, just death. But what about theft? Skrillex learned the hard way that being a touring musician means your entire studio is portable and vulnerable. He posted, "I had 2 laptops and both of my hard drives stolen out of my hotel in Milan, Italy last month. On those laptops and drives were all the project files of Skrillex. All gone now. The common thread? Neither of us had proper backups. We were both guilty of thinking, I'll back up tomorrow, or it won't happen to me." After my near disaster, I immediately set up a backup system. I use a Cronus True Image with an 8TB external drive. But honestly, use whatever works for you. The specific tool doesn't matter, but the habit does. I'll admit, I'm still not perfect. I back up manually every couple months when I should be doing it weekly. Making this video is partly to remind myself to fix that. Starting today, I'm setting up automatic weekly backups. Some people prefer cloud storage, others like physical drives they can touch and see. I'm in the physical camp. I like knowing exactly where my data lives, but the best backup system is the one you actually use. Here's the bare minimum. Set up automatic backups for your project files. Most DAWs can do this. Autosave to a different drive or cloud folder every few minutes. That alone could save you from disaster. For full system backup, it's surprisingly cheap. An external drive costs less than a plugin. Backup software ranges from free to maybe $50. That's nothing compared to losing years of hard work or paying for data recovery. And here's a pro tip. Don't just back up to one place. Have a copy of your backup in another external hard drive. Paranoid? Maybe. But you know what's worse than being paranoid? Losing everything. Look, I get it. Backing up is boring. It's not creative, it's not fun, it's just maintenance. But neither is spending $400 on data recovery while having anxiety attacks for 2 weeks. Skrillex had to completely remake his album. Imagine having to recreate your best work from memory. The exact sound design, the perfect mix, that magical take, all gone, and you're trying to capture lightning twice. But here's the thing, protecting your work is important, but also not overpaying for the plugins and tools you're working with. So if you want to know how to save thousands on music gear, then hit subscribe. Because in the next video, I'm revealing 5 money-saving secrets that music companies don't want you to know.